Welcome to Pro Hands Home Improvement, your trusted source for all things home renovation in Los Angeles. Today, we're diving into the costs of building a deck in 2026, helping you plan your next project with confidence. Several factors influence the cost of deck construction. Key considerations include the choice of materials, such as wood or composite, the size and design complexity of your deck, and any additional features like built-in seating or lighting. The location and accessibility of your property in Los Angeles can also play a significant role. In Los Angeles, the average cost of building a deck in 2026 ranges from $20 to $50 per square foot. A standard 200 square foot deck could cost between $4,000 and $10,000. High-end materials and elaborate designs can escalate this price, so it's crucial to determine your budget early. To maximize your investment, consider these tips. Plan your design carefully, opt for materials that offer durability and low maintenance, and get multiple quotes from contractors. Additionally, scheduling your project during the off-peak season can lead to potential savings. Ready to transform your outdoor space? Visit ProHandsHandyman.com to get started on your deck construction project today. Our team is here to help turn your vision into reality.